Hold on to your hats, folks, because gold is hotter than ever. That's right, the price of gold has shattered all previous records in 2025, leaving many investors both excited and bewildered. We're talking about a surge that's turning heads and making headlines, and you know what? It's time we break down exactly why this is happening and what it means for you. So buckle up, grab your pickaxes, and let's dig into the dazzling world of gold. Now, some folks might be quick to dismiss this as just another blip on the radar, but I'm here to tell you this isn't some flash in the pan. This gold rush is fueled by some powerful forces at play in the global economy, and understanding these forces is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the financial landscape in 2025 and beyond. Welcome to Valuable Finance, where smart minds come to master money, build wealth, and secure financial freedom. If you're serious about protecting your assets and building generational wealth, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest insights, trends, and strategies to navigate the complex world of finance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we've got something for you. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of gold, a timeless asset that's been capturing attention like never before. From sky-high prices to central banks hoarding reserves, there's a lot to unpack. So stick around as we explore why gold is making waves and how you can leverage this precious metal to fortify your financial portfolio. Let's face it, gold has a reputation for being as volatile as a rodeo bull. One minute it's soaring to new heights, the next it's taking a nosedive. That's because gold prices are influenced by a complex interplay of factors, from global demand and supply to geopolitical tensions and even plain old fear and uncertainty in the markets. But here's the thing. Behind every price swing, there's a story. And right now, the story behind gold's meteoric rise is one of cautious optimism mixed with a healthy dose of hedging against potential economic headwinds. You see, investors are flocking to gold as a safe haven asset, a way to protect their wealth in times of turbulence. But what's got everyone so spooked? Well, let's just say the global economy is looking a little shaky these days, and that's where our next few sections come in. Remember those giant vaults you see in heist movies? The ones filled to the brim with shimmering gold bars? Well, those vaults aren't just a Hollywood fantasy. Central banks around the world have been quietly stockpiling gold at an unprecedented rate, and that's got everyone talking. Why the sudden gold rush among the world's financial powerhouses? One word: diversification. With traditional currencies like the US dollar facing challenges, central banks are looking for ways to diversify their reserves and hedge against potential risks. And what better way to do that than with a tangible asset like gold, a timeless store of value that stood the test of time? Inflation nation, seeking safe haven from economic storms. Inflation, the word on everyone's lips these days. It's like a sneaky thief in the night, slowly eroding the value of your hard-earned money. And with prices of everyday goods and services skyrocketing, it's no wonder people are looking for ways to protect their purchasing power. Enter gold, the inflation buster. Historically, gold has held its value remarkably well during periods of high inflation. It's like a financial anchor in stormy seas, providing a sense of stability when everything else seems to be going haywire. So, as inflation continues to rear its ugly head, it's no surprise that investors are turning to gold as a safe haven asset to weather the storm. Wall Street's golden ticket. Institutional investors jump on board. It's not just central banks and everyday investors who are jumping on the gold bandwagon. Institutional investors, the big players in the financial world, are also increasing their gold holdings at a rapid pace. We're talking about hedge funds, pension funds, and even those Wall Street giants we all love to hate. Now, these guys are known for their sophisticated investment strategies and their constant pursuit of profits. So when they start pouring money into gold, you know it's not just a whim. They see something in gold, a potential for growth and stability that's hard to ignore. And when these institutional investors make a move, the rest of the market tends to follow. To shine or not to shine? Is gold right for your portfolio? So, we've covered the factors driving gold's record-breaking rally, but the big question remains: should you invest in gold? Well, as with any investment, the answer isn't a one-size-fits-all. It depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. If you're looking for a short-term gamble, gold might not be your best bet. Its price can be volatile and there's no guarantee of quick returns. However, if you're looking for a long-term hedge against inflation, a way to diversify your portfolio, and a potential safe haven asset during times of economic uncertainty, then gold might just be the golden ticket you've been searching for. Golden rules. Investing wisely in uncertain times. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the golden rule of investing always applies. Do your homework. Before you jump headfirst into the world of gold, take the time to educate yourself about the different ways to invest in gold, the potential risks and rewards, and most importantly, consult with a qualified financial advisor to determine if gold is the right fit for your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing isn't about chasing the latest trends or trying to time the market. It's about making informed decisions that align with your long-term financial well-being. So go forth, be informed, and may your investment journey be paved with golden opportunities. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly financial tips, and share this with someone who needs to protect their wealth. Remember to save, invest, and protect to build wealth for life.